Okay. Now, I had talked a couple days ago about whether or not I could actually fit the HDA ModelWorks decals, the saucer decals, which are 537, if I could fit them on the saucer of the Revel into Darkness Enterprise. And I counted the grid lines, like the pie wedges, 16. Counted the pie wedges on the Enterprise saucer, 16. I placed saucer top 12 exactly where it's supposed to go. And if you look, you will see, well, I'll take it off. See, there's the grid lines, right? Well, you put it on again, and you can see that it fits almost precisely in between the grid lines. All I have to do is move it up like that. Tilt it a bit. It fits precisely in the grid lines, which means my plan to use the gray HDA ModelWorks decals with just the two pearl colors will work. So the instruction guide, which is probably under everything by now, the instruction guide, which had a certain page here, the top saucer page, had Aztec patterns of different gray. Well, there's 16 of them. And I can now use those decals, those HDA ModelWorks decals, for this ship, at least for the saucer, anyway, and save myself a whole bunch of Aztecing. That's incredible that they actually fit. And you see how there's room at the edge? Well, there are saucer edge decals for the HDA ModelWorks. So it'll all work. And I'm glad, because I just saved myself a whole bunch of work.